Have you ever stared at a slice of pizza knowing you shouldn't but unable to resist? Remember the last time you tried to be good and stay low carb? Let me guess what happened. After a couple of days, there you were with an empty pizza box on the counter, battling waves of guilt, wondering why you just can't stick to it. Don't worry, we've all been there. This isn't about willpower at all. This happens because every low-carb solution out there expects you to do the impossible. Give up your favorite foods forever, eat bland alternatives that taste like cardboard, survive on grilled chicken and lettuce, pretend you don't miss real food. But what if you could enjoy all your favorite foods and still stay low-carb? Just imagine biting into warm, crusty bread that's actually good for you, serving your family a cheesy, bubbling pizza that fits your low-carb lifestyle, diving into a bowl of creamy pasta without derailing your health goals. Sound too good to be true? But this is exactly what you'll enjoy thanks to the Quick Switch Meal Matrix. This isn't just another cookbook. This is a revolutionary system that teaches you the exact method to transform any high-carb recipe into a mouthwatering low-carb version that tastes just as good as the original. The secret? The Switch Matrix method, a breakthrough multi-axis approach that considers ingredients, taste, texture, and cooking methods simultaneously. Inside the Quick Switch Meal Matrix, you'll discover comprehensive conversion charts for every meal type, 15 signature spice blends that make everything taste amazing, step-by-step troubleshooting guides, professional texture manipulation techniques, advanced cooking methods that guarantee success, detailed recipes for bread, pizza crusts, casseroles, and pie crusts to kickstart your low-carb journey. You'll master exactly how to convert any high-carb recipe into a low-carb masterpiece. Create perfect crispy, chewy, or creamy textures every time. Master professional-level cooking techniques. Save time and money by avoiding failed experiments. Make low-carb meals your whole family will love. And finally, break free from cravings and enjoy your favorite foods. It's all backed by our ironclad guarantee. Try it risk-free for 30 days, and if this system doesn't change the way you approach low-carb cooking, you'll get every penny back. Picture yourself 30 days from now confidently creating delicious low-carb meals, finally sticking to your healthy eating goals, enjoying your favorite foods without guilt, watching jaws drop when you reveal it's all low-carb. The choice is yours. Keep struggling with random recipes and failed experiments, or master the method that changes everything. Click the button below to get started now.